Hi folks, it's Russell Hughes from Hughes Realty Advisors with another episode of Commercial Real Estate Theater. It's going to be a short and sweet one today. This past week in the Carolinas has kind of provided a master class in everything I've been talking about over the last couple months. Hurricane came in, caused a tremendous amount of death, destruction, and devastation. There was a lot of flooding here in Charlotte, and it's still going on at the shore. There are rivers that probably won't crest fully until next week. So what have we been talking about for the last couple months? Emergency preparedness, water purification, having the basics around so that if you do get into a situation where you're trapped in your home or trapped in your office, you can either escape or you can hunker down. A lot of generators sold this past week. I'm not sure if people know how to use their generators. One of the first reported accidents related to the hurricane was a house being set on fire by a generator by someone who wasn't aware of what the proper safety procedures were, probably had never used their generator in their lives, and were thrust into a position where they had no choice but to try to wing it. Winging it in emergency situations is a very dangerous thing. If you learn nothing more from me ever, be prepared. Understand how to use your equipment. Spend a little bit of time understanding what your needs will be, what your family needs will be. As much time as I've spent with emergency preparedness, the hurricane taught me a tremendous amount of lessons about what to do, what not to do, what to have, what not to have, what's important, what's not important. And luckily, all it was a rain event for us here in Charlotte. The flooding was down the street, about 3 blocks from here. But because we were prepared, because we didn't have emergency moments, because we didn't have moments where we were freaking out or running out to get something, we were able to just hunker down. God bless the first responders, the linemen, the people out cutting trees off lines in the middle of a storm, the people plucking people off rooftops. I mean, it was tremendous. But the other aspect of emergency preparedness is being able to stay out of those people's way, being able to stay off the roads, not running out to get something in emergency, being able to hunker down in your own house and stay out of the way so that those people can get to the people that are in genuine life and death situations. The other things we've been talking about. What are your responsibilities under your lease? Flood damage. Is that your responsibility or is that the landlord's responsibility? Is it your responsibility within your office or outside? What do all these things look like? And insurance. Do you have flood insurance? It's a totally separate rider in most circumstances. So what about wind insurance? What about, do you know what the named hurricane or named storm clause is in an insurance policy? Get prepared, get help, get professional assistance with all these questions so that next time this happens, and there will be a next time, you're prepared, you have no questions, you can write it out. I guess it was a little bit longer than anticipated. This is Russell Hughes from Hughes Realty Advisors. We bring Fortune 100 expertise to the middle market. Wishing everybody a very safe recovery, hoping that all the people down at the coast get high and dry very, very soon, get back in their homes. Thanks so much.